Up next is a 2006 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide Custom. Two things shout at you at first: those high T-bars and the completely non-factory color. I would just call it a burnt orange. Bike was owned previously, well, actually still owned. It's here on consignment by a man who makes his living painting motorcycles. Under 50,000 miles, completely acceptable for an 06. Let's play you some tunes. That's the sound of a 2-in-1 Python Performance exhaust system. 2-in-1 helps balance the cylinders a little bit. More efficient, therefore more performance. The bike looks great, sounds great, and is priced right. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and check out this consignment bike today. We're open 7 days a week.